Calm down. Calm down.
Lokhu kufikela la insizwa yami.
Shalento puto wami.
Wena ngibona kisifebe sakho ngithi sikizeni indwana.
There's a lot going on in the show. I know I missed a couple of episodes, but I'm back. What's the level?
How do you feel about polyandry?
Probably Andrew Bandler.
Ujima ngamanqapsi ufaka nekepisi endlini abakufundisa ngakini ukuthi awuthwale endlini.
Yeah!
By the end of this
And then say I can't lie. But I've seen that part before, I can't lie.
But the only way.
Make sure you tune into the old episodes. You've seen that part before. My brother, Seganjena dog, Segan rejector. You see, ish. Seganjena boy. Ah! You don't do that in front of the hands, dog. You don't do that in front of the hands. Ah, don't cheat ya. Asek is Tunzi. Asek, dog. Pelili. Okay, let's jump straight into the episode, dog. Stop. Sizeng amandla.
To choose the rooms as couples. But if you don't have a couple, don't choose a room.
Yo.
But if you have a couple, go choose a room right now.
Does that mean that without the bedrooms are gonna be sleeping on the couch? This is the cutest couple. This has to be the cutest.
Okay.
My brother. Mcholo could have saved you. Dog. Really sleeping like a single man, I can't lie.
Yeah, I'm sure.
What's up with the testosterone? I'ma stop posing this much, my bad, but like, dog. Relax. What are we about to witness? Hi Bona. Alright guys, we keep it PG-13, my bad. We keep it PG-13, we can't be watching this. How they got caught? How? Joseph Dari. How? Dog. The fact that bro's laughing is crazy though.
I disconnect the connection. So that means when they're connecting, I have to come because the next challenge is to disconnect them.
Yeah, no, whatever Joseph said is basically what we're doing. The next game is called Stay or Swap. Each contestant heads into the red room, which is very red. Shout out to production.
So they're choosing which one they actually want.
Write down their choice. Stay with their partner or swap. Once they've made their decision, they drop it in the box and leave. Later, all the votes will be pulled out in front of everyone, and that's when we finally get to see what each person chose.
You see now, the game is getting ruined because khona uzofuna umuntu omuhle kunaye. Uzofuna lo le phezulu. Kata ka qualify.
Now, right,
you're gonna see what's gonna happen.
You guys manage to swap or switch or stay with your partner, right? When I read your name, you're about to change your person. Sibonelo, ngiyahlala naye.
Nazo-ke.
Hayi,
will she stay with you though? Will she stay with him? His partner is the one in blue, ne? The girl in blue, light skin there.
I wanna stay. Hey, away, my brother.
Impunde zingaka.
Bongumusa Khumalo. Nah, but this doesn't look like your handwriting. Eh? Uthi swap. Uthi swap.
Zaqala inkulumo.
Mxolisi.
Zaqala inkulumo. Why is he swapping though?
Angiswap.
This is what happens. Umjidi uyamzama ne. Hold on. Umjidi uyamzama umnika something. And then he wants the full arm. He's shooting out of his league now. Kasufuna bani.
Away, my bro. Away. Lusanda. Ha.
Stay.
At not swapping.
With this guy. Nah, guys, there's something they're not telling us. There's something they're not telling. Kanjani, bro, him. Out of all people, dog. We saw the scorer Kyle earlier on, but him.
Ivan, Ivana.
Damn, dog.
Ivana. Swap.
Maybe it's the beer bail. It's giving money. Who knows?
No,
Swap.
ukuthi akathembeki. Okuthi. Swap.
You top she. My bro could have smashed. You could have smashed. Oh nah.
Mpo. Swap.
Yo.
Yo.
Confidently so.
Alinda. Swap.
So many swaps though.
TK. Swap.
Yo. All the girls are swapping. Okay, let's fast forward a bit to where they actually finished the side.
Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is, if I come to you, you tell us why you swap. You stand up and tell us why did you swap, why did you stay. So tell us why you guys stayed and swap. Yes.
Okay,
No, hold the mic, mama.
This is the perfect couple, by the way.
ndinxijonga zikhona izinto mna naye siyakhabana kuzo sibambana incamncam yabo ndithi ngondiyibambile uyaphuncuka engathi isepe semanzini so in English ngizothina nabanzayizama uyibeka kanjani kodwa nzeyizama we don't have like izinto ezininzi in common mna naye otherwise uright yena ungumuntu oright unenhliziyo enhle andifuna uxoka shem.
Okay, amnike sizwe wena ukuthi why
So if it's not the personality, it's the looks. It has to be the looks. And she can't be judging by looks right now.
awuswapi.
Lutho ngiswipe mina.
Stop. Kwe! Sala yo kwe twin.
Ngiphatheke kabuhlungu wona. Kodwa phela nama kubaba kuyaphuzela.
Ungahlala phansi mina. But it's no longer your person, eh? You can stand, my sister, eh? Mfukeng. Stand up, guys.
Let's see the couple.
Hey. Re ntho di be bonolo. She's too bossy and arrogant.
She's too bossy and arrogant.
Yeah.
Hey, why are you swapping? It says you are too bossy and arrogant.
Inkinga we are both short, ne?
Ha! That's the first bar Uzo violates. I'm telling you, warning, Uzo violates.
They are very short-tempered. He's always angry. Like umaskhuluma a normal conversation, we are shouting.
Yeah, a man that shouts. I mean, I shout, but like, come on.
So let's change it.
Changed.
Okay.
Immediate effect.
Why did you guys swap? Why did you swap?
To be honest, uyangibhora.
Oh.
Yeah, uyangibhora shem.
How do you feel about that answer?
Yabona ukutshela ivara zami mina bengenzela yena nje angidabaza abafazi ngoba bayisa kanjani. Ngenzela yena ukusabo ngisathi kanjani. Hayi. Injalo mashida kayikela.
Oh, okay.
As it deep down, my brother is hurt, you can tell. After the way he's looking at Joseph, he's hurt, but fair G. You're keeping it G.
Okay.
Taking it as a man.
Mare. Wena kana ona muthu. Stand up, guys. Why did you guys swap? Both of them swap, eh?
I don't think there's much to say here. You are the one that chose. for us.
Oh, it's because of I chose it for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I say my part? I swapped because I feel like the guy is not like there like at all, so I don't want to like force things about.
What do you mean by that?
You feel like it's not there for you.
Yeah, like nje, like people were getting glasses.
What the feel, ne? What the feel?
You are the one.
Our parafila, our payroll and parents.
You are the one that chose for us.
Okay, but that means you don't feel her, ne? Okay,
Not my
fine. Yeah.
I can't lie though, in this situation, my brother's the only person who spoke English. Like, Obolalela, everyone who spoke is the only one that's speaking English. We thought to disqualify whiskies. Literally, bro.
So I decided to swap because one, wapapa. I can't emphasize this enough. A man needs to be soft-spoken. Because only monna bo rasa more than everybody in this house. Wapapa. And another thing, he's too pushy. Like he wants to jump steps and like. Yeah, he just doesn't.
Oh no!
Yeah, he's very pushy. He's very pushy.
My brother's hungry.
He's very touchy. He doesn't listen. Like you'd say no, and he wouldn't understand what no means. And the last thing is that Teraba sad. He can't keep his underpants still, and I just can't. I just can't.
My brother.
Kodwa ke mfowethu into engenza ukuthi ngibhale uswap lapha hayi intokazi iyazazi kakhulu mfowethu
As I should.
ngithulile
She can be, yabona man, she can be like, she ain't that pretty though. Like, I'm not to judge people's prettiness, but like, come on, bro. Gotta be humble at the end of the day.
yabo intokazi iyazazi kakhulu mangithi yazazi uyafonela wayitshela yabo so noma ngiyazama ayimfana ukho connection asiyona lento le
because of it she didn't want to.
No mfowethu mina ngiyajabulisa ngedwa mfowethu
That's exactly the point.
mina ngidinga intombazane awuthuli wesisi ngidinga intombazane mina mfowethu esizoclicka nayo mina ekhanda angiphilile ngiyayihlanyela ngidinga ukuthi hlama she serious noma sesiyakhuluma empeteni baby ngicela ungihaka no
Oh!
angeke mfethu ayikho lento connection engikhona mfethu angangikhona mfethu
I say good, my brother. We understand, dog.
Perfect response.
We understand. You're corner, boy.
Can't keep up. We've all been typing, deleting.
Oh, tell me hockey, boy. Still.
So let's clap hands for the ones that stayed. At the end of the day, right now we have one couple that stayed. The ones that didn't, that swapped and then Bakshile, stand up. I want you guys to go to your next person. So when when you found your next person in this like 2 minutes, you wanna move past the camera and go to the room and then take the bags from the room that you put your bags and go to that person's room.
Something special about this couple, dog. Yeah, I still can't believe it.
You saying you are moving with this? Yes, please. Okay.
Oh, Suganini! Suganini's getting it! Look at it! Look at her smile!
This one?
Oh, no.
Oh.
But she made it for the streets, though. I have to let him know. She wanted to make people lay on the bed so quickly. Day 2. And she's a lady making people lay on the bed. Okay. Might be for the streets.
Hey.
What happened to Sutachi? Huh? What happened to Sutachi? Look at her, like, what happened to Sutachi?
Let's go.
Nah, the game is rigged, dog. The game is rigged.
Hey, let's go. Hey, but what's happening here? Hey.
I mean, they did say she wants to lead, hey?
Let's go, couple.
Yo! Short Kings matter most. Short Kings matter.
Whatever.
I hope like we show no chapel to. Limona to chapel to that. So the moon. O lahlile msadi re go tsela ba batla msadi mfukeng a o bolela wa grille kgetha wa kgetha o te kgethetse a o nyake motho
Ai
wa bona
o tla bonala
Kuzobonakala boy.
ma rati di gay ha di rati Never got why you did it. I did it. I'm sorry. I would rather kiss a toilet seat.
Ima khasiyeke isandla sesami. Number 1. Thula ndimocela ixesha. Indlela le omjonge ngayo ngokuncumile uthenqeka amazinyo amhlophe ngaphandle. You have never smiled at me like that.
Sir, he left you now. It's too late to be complaining.
Umbambe ngakhona okhozi naye. It shows ba kudala umfuna kudala umbawela qha ndimlobu lenzi sihlama. Ima diyeza kuwe wena. No, I'm not saying. No, wait, I'm coming to you. I want to start with him. Yeva? Diyeza kuwe wena nondoroji. Wena ngoba uhleli nampha. Ndichilo kuwe ndathi which means is sunlight le mna ndihlamba ngayo. Doesn't smell good for you.
Yeah, now that's the sunlight to my sister. Look at my sister in the blue dress. She doesn't use sunlight. When
Sisi, shut the fuck up. Wena msunu wakho yima angagqiba ukuthetha nawe. No, yima. No, andimfuni qha funeka kube used ekulahlweni mnqundu. Xa ulahliwe lahleka. Uyawuncengwa ngunyoko ayindimi.
Emthini wenza insizwa. We can, like, guys, help me find Mfuke Mutu. Because I want the
guys, I need to sit properly for this.
Yeah, Brian, I go this. I got to send that again. I want to listen to introspection. So we agree. Don't know about what I'll have. Nam pile breaking and I want to this one. Boss again, napa. I get Skoko again, napa.
So guys, Skoko man. It's now it's Coco now.
I'm right. Phansi like if ngiyamcomparisha kunabanye abantu nanyedlela abantu babantu ababehave ngayo ubonile ukuthi shithi mina like nginelakhi la kubonela nabantu ukuthi basayiphila wonke umuntu usayiphile but kusale thina soyi2
esibese ikhaphula ukudala engakaze ihlukane siye sakhethana that means uthando siye salithola yabo.
When we swapped partners and chose our new partners, like I was very happy because vele bengimfuna uguy and the guy also wanted me.
Yeah, ngiswipe mfowethu.
Can we look at this hand and then look at him and look at this guy? I don't know what happens though.
So the guy that I
maybe she's still checking the bank balance there. We heard earlier that she loves money. She's still checking the bank balance and then next.
really wanted is I didn't get his name, but he's like buffish, he's tanned, like he's very like not very dark but like darkish in complexion.
Right.
And he has a beard.
We swapped the partners.
It's this guy.
I got my preferred partner. My now preferred partner.
He wouldn't even be compatible even outside of the house. Like he would never like just meet me like halfway, you know. I was just like, no, let me swap for someone who actually can acknowledge my feelings.
udlule ekhichini ubeka iplate lakho bese uza kunini kodwa kunalokho udlula ikhishi uza neplate lakho kunini
mina bengithi ngumuntu indlela engafundiswa
2 seconds of dating, what happened to the honeymoon phase? Sekaxatshwana
ukuthi umuntu wesifazane yena angeke ngize ngigeze izitsha ukhona.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Angisho ukuthi you were supposed to wash your plates but you can't pass the kitchen and come to me with your plates utshela ukuthi mina ngisukume ngiye kitchen ngiyokubekela iplate lakho okusho ukuthi kahle kahle you being abusive to
yonke lento ngeplate.
Namantombazane la uhamba nawo angeke ngenxa ukuthi mina nginezathu zami zokuthi ngayigqoka ibikini namhlanje wabona umfazi oyiyelo phone ugqoka ibikini sokazi ukhetha yena uyeke mina.
I mean it's no though.
Kade ubukisa ngami ngicula labantu babili la ngithulele kade ngithule
ngicela ukukhuluma iqiniso.
Iqiniso lani
Ngiyakuthanda kodwa ngiyacabanga ukuthi naye cha ikhona inhlansi ngayo enhlizweni yakho.
Hambe kuyeke phela ngiyekela.
Cha angithi ngizokhulumisana nawe
njengomfundi. Yazi I'm trying to change by all means ngiyazama ukuthi ngishintshe for the better ukuthi ngibe umuntu right. I'm here to find love.
You cannot say you're changing when you have 100 bodies already. It never works, dog. It never works. I'm changing.
I'm your partner because of you.
Boy, we cannot pass through that. No.
Your partner because of you.
He watches too many movies, that's what I can't lie.
Your partner because of you.
Oh no.
His breath is not good.
Oh
I'm sorry to say that, but not in the bad way, but
yo,
his breath is not good at all.
Creepy.
Ngithanda ukuthi unjani?
Hlala lapha, ngiyabuya manje.
Boy.
Avuma nyanyisa shame uyanyanyisa. Uyanyanyisa.
Awu kahle sithandwa senhliziyo. Kunento engisayifuna ukuyilungisa.
Kazolungisa, what is he fixing?
Ngiyabuya qhawe lami, ngifuna nje kancane qhawe. Kunento futhi ngiyacela mfowethu. Kunento nje.
This is the yellow bone girl that they were talking about.
Kancane. Hayi ngenhlonipho mfowethu ngiyacela.
I think futhi ngine crush.
Ha!
Ngiyacela mfowethu.
Mana wotani? Mana.
Ha!
Ntokazi. Ngiyaphela. Ila ngiyaqolisa ukuphazamisa ngiyabona kusebhizi.
Iyahamba intombi bafo.
Lokho kufikelela inhliziyo yami kuwe.
Uqondeni kanti mfethu?
Cha, hayi.
Yini athi ukuthi ngixoxe ngikhona? Yini athi ukuthi
Hayi mfowethu, ngiyathola.
Why is he kneeling now?
Mazi ukuthi uthi ngicela othatha.
Akasheli
ukuthi le yiwe
Angizazi.
Bengakhulumi nawe manje.
Besikhuluma lalelani bafowethu.
Awumanelisi mhlambe mhlambe la.
Cha ngisacela ukukhuluma iqiniso kini. Eyakithi inhliziyo kulento kazi.
Yo.
Sengikhuluma iqiniso. Hayi kabi bafowethu, hayi kabi. Nami ngiyasha ngaphandle.
You know, like he's pushing it, dog. You should look at how this guy looks. Now he got something. Now he wants to go there again.
Uthando lalento kazi. Ngiyacela bafowethu.
We are forced manje, dog. His confidence is becoming too much.
Mana nawe ngakuyena. Ngeke ngimlwele umuntu ongenayo ngisho 50,000 ebank.
Told you. Next. Abamthathile bhuti wami. Sichaye. Sichaye.
Baby. Baby.
Lungile. Ngicela ukubuye sikhulume mama.
I'm shy, boy. At that point, mina abushayiwe. I can't lie. So umthintelani.
Ungixolele mfowethu. Mama ngizokhuluma iqiniso. Okuhle yabona uright masotshontshana hayi kabi bafowethu. Masotshontshana emasayidini. Yabona kodwa le ntokazi ulusanda hayi. Cha mfowethu hayi. Bafowethu hayi. Ngizimpela ngingumfowakho manje ngizoyinikela kuyena. Cha ngoba impela cha eyakithi inhliziyo uyitshontshile. Yazi bengakaze ngize ngizizwe ukuthi ngiyoke ngizizwe ngalendlela ngomuntu esifazane.
Amanga chief. We all know that she's lying, but okay.
Yini?
Hayi kodwa masokhuluma iqiniso asiyeke lento mfowethu ngeke phela.
Wenzani?
Ngixolisa sithanda.
Wenzani?
Angazi noma ungiloyile.
Yini kwamele lokho ngibekezelana nawe ufuna ukubukisa ngami ebantwini iyabheda nje.
Angazi noma
Why kwamele ngikubekezelele ubukisa
angazi noma ngiloyiwe yini noma ngithakathile.
Yini lo yenzayo?
Ngiyaxolisa.
Yini lo yabona mfethu
Hayi mina ngidla umuthi wakamanyoni yazi kamanyoni.
Ngikuphi lapho?
Enyukazela.
Angihlangani naleyo nto musungitshela.
Lalela mama kodwa ngithanda ngaphandle kokuthini ngikuthanda.
Now this bruiser player. This guy's game needs to be studied. I can't lie. Like it's thing on my notes now. We need to be taking notes. Hi key. Hi bo.
Thanda. Ungathethi kakhulu my love.
Ungene slim ayingiyamthanda inkinga.
And then you're cheater.
Bathi uthi hamba.
Hayi wait.
Angibona ukuthi ngifuna lengane. Awume wena.
I can't lie. This is childish though.
Awume wena.
Amadoda kanje.
Mthelani.
Hawu, cha phela yami inhliziyo mfethu ngiyakuthanda kanti kuphi? Hawu, uyangiphazamisa nje. Hawu. Awuyathanda msana.
Ngazeke bhuti wami umshaya. Shaya lento. Shaya lento bhuti wami.
Yeah, ngiza ngiyake inhliziyo yami ithanda.
Imagine no. Imagine.
Shaya lento. Aqhele lona simdingi.
Angiyayithanda lento kazi. Ayikho into engizoyenza nami inhliziyo yami kuyona ngenze njani? Inhliziyo yami kuyona lento ngenze njani?
From it GT6 to we hand I10. Gege.
Namathamazana yalo. Everyone is fighting now. Everybody's fighting now.
Unganya oh.
Ayikho into soyenza. Ayikho into soyenza. Usulokungilandela nomfundo. Usak. Usulokungilandela umfundo wethu. Usak.
Ngiyakezela.
Hayibo.
Sokungilandela. Ayikho into engizoyenza. Intombi ngiyithandile, ngithande ngifika la. Ngifuna uthando, yami inhliziyo isihlukumezeke kakhulu ngenze njani? Usukungilandela wena nje. Usulokungilandela phela. Iyakuthanda yini yona? Iyakuthanda yini?
Okay, the audio is now messed up. I'm noticing that lips are not lapping.
Ngiyakuthanda. Ayikho into engizoyenza. Ngifuna ukuba makoti wakithi. Wena seNewcastle nawe wena.
Yo.
Wena seNewcastle nawe wena. Makoti wakithi. Ungangiyeki ngibambe. Ungisondeze duze. Khuluma kimi madlebeni ya.
Abuze boy. Abuze. Mwa. Mwa.
Ungangiyeki ngibambe. Ungisondeze.
Why is he watching the performance, Koto? Indaba mbuka.
Duze. Khuluma kimi madlebeni ya. Ngitshela ukuthi uyangithanda wesidudle simnyama ngiyifuna intombi yakho. Ayikho. Inhliziyo
Oh no.
Hawu, angithi phela ngidinga ukukhuluma nawe. Manje mangathola ithuba lokukhuluma nawe ngivinjwe idudla ezimnyama ngenze njani mina?
Everyone's taking shots.
Ukhasela ungabizi lo muntu ngesifebe. Ngabizi lo muntu ngesifebe. Ngabizi lo muntu ngesifebe wena. Ngambizi ngesifebe.
Uzoshaywa lensizwa can't lie.
Ngicela ngikhathi
Umzulu uzoshaywa manje.
Kwayibuzela ubhunu wathi enze njani? Musukusondela kimi. Musukusondela kimi baba. Ngenze njani? Ngiyamthanda mfowethu. Ngiyamthanda ukhethwe inhliziyo. Uyayazi ke inhliziyo nawe ayiphakela mfowethu. Ukhethwe inhliziyo makoti wakithi lo nguboniswa bakithi abangasekho.
But he said that to the other girl.
Ngiyamthanda na. Uyamthanda na ngoba nangu phela usaduze kwakho ufuna ukuthi uyamthanda yini. Uyamthanda.
Ngize ngizofuna uthando lapha baba.
Uyamthanda yebo noma cha ngenzela ukuthi wazi.
Waye kwamele bamlwele kanti Chomi.
Uyamthanda dog.
Waye kwamele bamlwele?
Hayi mama kodwa.
Ngobani?
When ulwelwa, you should be quiet. Like we need to address the akathula bamlweli yena. I relax.
Ikanto wena sha.
Hi key.
Ayibizi lengane ngephika.
Ngeke ngimlwele mina ngeke. Angilwisana nemoto encane.
Awukahle msuthu, kahle fuseke msuthu. Kahle msuthu. Samsokhuluma endlini. Msuthu ndini, msunu. Ungenza isilimo.
Go on, just like that. Just like that.
Angifuni ukuthembisa izulu nomhlaba ngoba izulu angilazi kanti umhlaba ubolile. Umhlaba unezinto zawo nawe uyawazi. Bengicela ungiphe ithuba empilweni yakho mama. Ngixolisa mama, ngicela ukuhlukumeza ngixolisa. Ngiyaxolisa.
They said he doesn't respond to no. The word that says no, I register dog.
Hayi.
Siphazamisa, hey.
Nomzana ngicela ukuthi ungiphe ithuba ngizoyibuyisa intombi yakho mfowethu.
There's no such thing as renting girlfriends in 2025. There's no kubole kwamantombazana. Borrow your girl, bring her back.
Nomzana ngicela ukuthi ungiphe ithuba ngizoyibuyisa intombi yakho mfowethu.
Ufuna ukuphila impilo nomuntu othuka abizi inhlamba ngayo ngindlela njalo balekela mina sono sami.
Musukusondela kimi. Ukhuza lohlanya lakho langilandela manje. Langilandela lalela mfowethu. Lalela sikhulumisa kwamadoda. Khula la. Ingane uyabona ukuthi enandaba nawe khula.
Bese awukahle la ukhuluma ngalendlela ukhuluma hayi.
Danko ngani? Danko ngani?
Landa insizwa zangakini nami ngilanda insizwa zangakithi ayikho into esizoyenza mfowethu. Nami
ayidinga abantu abaningi. Just needs one on one. Sinabezulu. Just one on one. Ayidingi nje okuningi.
Yamakoti wakithi nami lo. Nami ngizamela kithi mfowethu ungixolele ukuthi ngihlakula insimbi vele usihlakulile. Ungixolele mfowethu umandla nami ngizamela kithi.
Asambe.
Zwile inkulumo.
No, like ngenzela ukuthi lento la isolveke.
Hawu.
Intombi uyazi isidudle semnyama.
Abamtshontshile bhuti wami. She's gone.
Nawe
She's gone.
Cause manje uzobe
ngicela sikusale sesiqede le nkulumo mama.
Shy. Hayibo. Oh no. Yo. It's Shy boy. It's Shy.
I don't know. He's just.
There's something I've been longing to tell you.
Yes, we are. Excuse me, umtela kame.
It's okay.
Since we are interested, can we have some drink later?
So are you taking me like as a second option? Because initially you didn't choose me. You chose to be with someone else. So now because that didn't go well, you're now deciding that you want me all of a sudden. Then what's happening?
Okay, I'll be honest. I didn't choose her.
What happened?
Systematically, I didn't choose it, and then we exited time when I was supposed to pass her out.
So was the conversation that interesting? And
wait. Look. Umzulu lona. Come on now. Shaya on Mzulu. Shalando.
Yo.
See now him fighting the girl, it's kinda yakakamela man. We support the first step, but the second one.
Yo, yeah, no. Hey, whoa, calm down. Calm down. Whoa.
This guy kills people, dog, and then ubambikanda.
Whoa.
We've seen this in movies a lot of times.
Calm down.
Oh no.
Whoa, calm down.
Oh no.
I picked him.
He's gonna kill you and shot this post. What did I do, dog? What did I do? And cry, dog. Oh no. Oh no, let's stop.
Him because he's not something that I'd initially go for. So I decided to go for him because me choosing my type has never worked for me anyways.
Yes, she knows.
Calm down.
Hey, Short King is coming. Oh no. Short King is coming in.
People
I don't know, boy, you get it.
So we just have to tolerate each other.
Magayege uzolimala imali uyamlandela. Buka.
People act differently around different crowds, so we just have to tolerate each other.
Niggas need to know their limits, I can't lie. They need to know their limits. Zombulala.
Let's talk.
Aibo Short King, you gotta tell her, huh?
Be able to have a conversation if you're screaming. Ah man, shut up. When I'm gonna get fed, I need to speak.
He's singing.
Please don't touch me. Don't leave.
Hamba puto wami, go naso.
I'm leaving. Can you please leave me? Let's talk. Let's talk. I think you're here to find love. Wait.
Oh, Short King. He's really leaving. Hey, guys, go peas. Anyways, Rain the Curve, thank you guys for tuning in. It's been an interesting one. More fab. It's a fabbing festival. Y'all stay safe though. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for tuning in. Peace out.